Guys, what's up? Hope you're all well. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are down at VRS Performance in Northampton because they are kindly adding a stage 1 tune to the Abarth 500. It's kind of funny because Deanna is still yet to pass her test. So when she inevitably does, she's going to be hopping into a stage 1 Abarth. So that's going to be funny. Anyway, they're doing me a massive favour with this. They don't usually work on other types of vehicles that aren't within the VAG group range. So this is quite a special sort of one-off thing for me. However, it's going to be really awesome and I can't wait to feel the difference. So without further ado, I'll show you them sort of just, I guess putting the computer in, adding the stage 1 to the car, etc. I think it might be going on the dyno, so I'll try and get some footage of that too. And yeah, let's just see what it feels like after, guys. I'm excited. Guys, Connor's just strapped the car on the dyno. We're going to do a run, see what it makes stock. I don't believe the car has been tuned, but we're about to find out. And then, yeah, put stage 1 file on, see what it does on stage 1. It's got Tesco Momentum 99 fuel in at the moment, so I don't know if that's going to make much difference. But anyway, we shall see when we give it a run. So yeah guys, by the looks of things from that dyno run, there is already a tune on there. However, we are going to use the new tune, compare the two, see what the new tune makes, and yeah, a little bit of I guess a learning experience for me this evening, because honestly, I didn't think it was tuned. I mean, it feels nippy, but I know Abarths are generally nippy anyway, because they're quite a small car and they've got, a fair bit of torque for what they are. So I just, didn't expect it to be making this sort of power. So yeah, I'm quite surprised, but let's see what the new tune makes. Guys, just did a run with the new tune, and after the second run it made 179 bhp, and let me just double check the torque because I've forgotten. And 234.07 foot-pounds of torque to be precise, which is around 30 foot-pounds more torque than the old tune that was on the car. So pretty good results. Looking forward to seeing how that feels. I think that's going to be a noticeable difference, to be fair. So yeah, happy days. VRS coming in clutch again. What can I say? So I'm going to take this thing for a drive, see how it feels, and probably do some footage in the day because it's getting dark now. So attach a GoPro maybe tomorrow when I get a chance in the daytime, get some footage, see how it feels. But yeah, again, they're coming clutch. Hey guys, right, we're out in the car. It's a couple of mornings after the workshop clips. I've actually currently got a little bit of a cold, so excuse me if I don't sound the best, if I'm not making much sense, if my tone of voice is a little bit off, etc. Anyway, enough feeling sorry for Mr. Axel. As I say, we're in the Abarth. It's now running 179 horsepower and 234 foot-pounds of torque, which is around a 9 or so bhp increase from the last tune that was on the car, and around a 30 foot-pounds of torque increase from the prior tune. So that's all good news. It was, again, quite a surprise that this car was already tuned. I didn't think it was, although I am aware they're quite nippy cars anyway out of the factory. So yeah, maybe that was why. And obviously I had an Abarth rather before, and that was tuned as well. I put stage 1 on that, and did some other bits, put a uprated air intake on, etc. So maybe now that I'm sort of used to 500 horsepower on the Golf R, that's probably why I didn't think this was already tuned. But no, they're absolutely amazing cars. They really are super capable cars, these Abarths, and super nimble, super lightweight, and just all round bundles of joy. So anyway, we're down some back roads, and
I'm just waiting for the car to heat up a little bit, and then we're going to flick it into sport, and I'm sort of going to rather run you guys through my thoughts on how the new tune is affecting the driving experience of the car, and what the pros and maybe cons are, although I don't really think there are going to be many cons at all. I just love these things. I really do. I think for a sort of city car, not much comes close. You can park them almost anywhere, you know, they can fit into the smallest of gaps, and people underestimate them, especially people who don't know their cars. They think, oh, just another Fiat 500, you know, without even properly looking at the badge. Well, no, actually it's an Abarth, and as Jeremy Clarkson has said in his review of these cars, they're little baby Lambos. They want to be a Lambo, they really do. They're, you know, screaming with all their might when you put your foot down in one of these things, and you just see how how capable they are. They're so talky, they're so much fun. You know, by no means are they the fastest cars out there, but they certainly pack a hell of a lot of punch for their weight, and are just an all-round impressive machine. Right, so I'm going to whack this thing into sport. Okay, we're in sport mode. This is third gear, and I can already feel the torque. When I relax my body, you can actually feel the car push you back into the seat. This is a much better tune, in my opinion, has to be said, than the one that was on the car before. I can feel it already. Power delivery, yeah, seems super smooth power delivery. What a great tune, and I think I'm getting sort of optimum torque around the 3,200, 3,300 rev range. That's when the sort of 234 foot-pounds really is being showcased. Yeah, this is feeling great, guys. I'm just going to just pause for a minute in terms of commentary and just drive it, and really try and sort of become one with the car, and let you guys, yeah, know some more info. This is good. Oh yeah. This is great. Oh dear, got a bit of an awkward situation coming up here because I'm on a very thin road, and another car is coming who's kindly pulled over onto the grass verge. Thank you. And that right there is another benefit. I don't know if you could just see the car behind me, but if this was in my Golf, I wouldn't have been able to squeeze past that. So I'm really glad that I'm in the Abarth at the moment, to be honest. Blimey, this is a really dirty road, horribly dirty road. It's not usually this dirty. I come down here quite frequently for my car videos, and it's not usually this bad. Anyway, let's do another pull in second gear. You can't help but have a smile on your face when you do mash the accelerator in these Abarths. That is so much fun. Honestly, yeah, world of difference with this tune compared to the other. I feel like this one has much smoother power delivery, and I think the graph showcases that as well. This is outstanding, truly outstanding. Why is there a Range Rover reversing down the road in front of me? What on earth is going on today? That Range Rover is literally, again, I don't know if you guys can see these cars. Why am I being told to slow down now? What on earth is going on? Are people okay? Are people like, this has turned into a very bizarre video. A very bizarre video. Someone was like telling me to like slow down, as if to say, don't go up there, don't go up there. What the heck? Am I in the midst of an alien invasion? What is going on? This is bizarre, guys. Absolutely bizarre. I am just waiting to come around this corner and see ET or something. What? Why are people people turning around? Oh, there's police. Oh, damn. Something's going on here, guys. Something rough is going on by the looks of things as well. Oh dear. What's happened? An accident or something, maybe? Okay, so there has unfortunately been an accident involving the Vauxhall Astra. The thing looks absolutely bloody written off. I just hope whoever was inside it are okay. So that explains that. That's what was happening. It wasn't an alien invasion. I'm glad it wasn't an alien invasion. I don't really have any weaponry on me to survive the fight, so that's good news. But yeah, as I was saying, I lost my train of thought. It was, yeah, it's never the most positive thing seeing something like that, so it does throw you off a bit. But as I was saying, it's quite a smooth graph, and you can feel how smooth this tune is compared to the previous tune that was on the car. Yeah, I mean, I can feel how much more punch the torque has, and I'm gonna do another second gear pull here. Hit boost. Yep, you can definitely feel the torque, and it just keeps going. It keeps going and going. It feels so smooth and just so linear, and there's like no signs of that torque sort of slowing down anytime soon. And it's not like stepping off like some cars do, you know. You get that sort of torque and then it starts fading after a little while, and you sort of lose that kick in your gut, and you can sort of almost come away from your seat again from having been pushed back. And with this tune, I feel like it's trying to keep you there. And yeah, that's just a testament to the guys who have tuned it, and massive thanks to VRS. You know, this is great. This is great fun. Yeah, I don't know what else I can say really. I can already feel there's just so much more torque there. It's a lot smoother in the way it delivers that torque and horsepower, and I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. We'll do a little third gear, gradual pull here. Fourth gear now. Oh. the way this thing handles corners. Sorry, another massive positive pro to this machine. It's just so nimble, like I said earlier, so good. Hitting 1.2 bar roughly of boost. I love my little boost gauge, so fun. This is great. Yeah, wicked car, absolutely love it, absolutely love it. Yeah, honestly guys, world of difference with this tune compared to the prior one, and I'm just a very happy man. And hopefully when Deanna passes her test and she can drive this thing on her own, she'll be having some fun with it very shortly too, when she builds up more confidence, because what a great car. I mean, my god, if I had this as my first car, I'd be gassed. They're little rippers, they really are, like little go-karts. What great pieces of machinery, oh my gosh. Well guys, I'm not going to ramble on too much. I'm going to leave the video on a high right there. If you enjoyed this, please smash the like button. Please make sure you are subscribed to the channel and have notifications switched on and set to all. And aside from that, yeah, I'll just see you for the next video, whenever that will be, hopefully in not too long. And take care of yourselves guys. Yeah, stay safe, and I'll catch you soon. Bye bye, peace.